Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. Now, before I get into the unbagging, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're all doing well, and please continue to like, subscribe, and comment. I enjoy reading all your comments, and I enjoy replying to all your comments, and it helps me to get to know all of you. So, all right. So, this comes to me from Diamondartgift, and I want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to show to y'all. Now, I've already took everything out of the bag so that I could flatten this canvas out. But this canvas is a partial, and it is a special shape, but it comes with a regular toolkit, which is your green boat, pink wax, and your pink pen. That's all they sent, and that's all you need to do this kit. So we're going to open these up and look at them. And I love doing special drills. I think they're so fun, and it's like a break between big kits, and I just think they're fun. So we have got a small blue, dark blue, and then like a small aqua, and I hope y'all can see. I'm going to actually bring y'all down so that y'all can see these better. And then we have a clear, a big full bag of clear. And then we have another bag of blue and purple. And then we have a half iridescent pearl. And then we have some blue. And we've got some more. And then we've got some blue teardrops. And then we've got some more blue. What was the one? I'm sitting here trying to look up under my phone and my hand. And look, these. Are those the marquees? I think so, yeah. Okay. But aren't those pretty? Very pretty. So this is mostly going to be blues. A lot of blues in this one. Okay. So let's just set these over here. And I'm going to pull y'all back up. So this is the canvas that I got. That I picked out. I thought she was so pretty. But I love the background. Of course, I love purple. That's my favorite color. But I love how it looks like she's standing sort of in a window, but yet it looks kind of like a picture frame. But it's just so pretty. But there's the 10 colors, and it has the schematic on the top right, bottom left. There's the thumbnail. And she's a 30 by 45, and she's called the Goddess. But her hair is so black, it has purple. And then she's got the butterfly wings, and then there's a butterfly. There's a few just around her. And then her dress is just so pretty. But I just thought this is just so, it's just a pretty image. What do y'all think? Have y'all done this one? Have y'all seen this one and done it? Or are there others that's like this? I've not seen them. So, but I thought this was pretty. But this was called a partial special shaped angel. And it is, like I said, a 30... Is that what that said? Yeah, a 30 by 45 centimeter, and she was $5.99. So that's how much she was, which is not bad. So I'm going to put these back in here real quick, and then we'll see what else I got. Okay, so I'm just going to flip her over. Alright, so the next thing I got was well, I'll say the next two things I got were these. Now, I love cover minders, and y'all know that. But I had to get these, and I've always liked these little glitter drops, I think's what they're called. Let me see. They got tape on them. But yeah, I think they're called glitter drops. Let me look. Yeah. This is the pink glitter drop and the green glitter drop. And I think I have a blue one. I wouldn't mind having all of them because I think they're cute. But for some reason, I'm not real sure why. If somebody knows, please inform me, because I was kind of unsure on why. But anyway, the green, they come in these little reusable plastic containers, which you can use these things for anything. So that's pretty cool. And they have the really good magnets on it. So, but here's the little green one. And then here's the little pink one. But aren't they cute? So, the green glitter drop cover minder was $2.99. But the pink one was $1.99. So why are they two different prices? That's what I was wondering. Woo! If I don't break them. But yeah, I'm not sure why one's more than the other. I wasn't understanding that. But they are so flippin' cute, y'all. But I got those. And then the last thing I got was a pen. Because I love pens. But I'm going to bring y'all down. But I got this pen. I actually wanted another one, but they were out. So they asked me to pick a different one. So I picked this one because I don't have this one. And I'm thinking that this is called a feather, but I went back and looked. And it doesn't say anything, but I could have sworn that it was called the feather. But it's so pretty. But it comes with, I think this is a 7-placer. I think. I'm not sure, y'all. With these wide, clear multi-placers, I can never tell. But I think this might be a 7. And then, of course, your single placer, which hopefully will go in here, because last couple pens I've gotten, I've had issues getting the tips in. Yeah, it's going to go in, but I'm just going to have a little bit more pressure, which usually I'll use my, I don't know if I can get it. I'll get it in, but anyway, but isn't that pretty? So the pen is called a Fashion Diamond Art pen, and it was $5.99. But isn't it pretty? So pretty. So, and like I said, it comes with the single placer, and I think that's a 7 placer. I'm not sure. But anyway, so I'm going to flip that back over. So, the canvas was $5.99. The green cover minder, glitter drop cover minder was $2.99. The pink glitter drop cover minder was $1.99. And then the pen was $5.99. So I want to thank Diamondartgift for sending me these to show to all of y'all. That is very nice of them to do. But I thought these were just so cute. Like I said, I think I've got a blue one, but I would like to have all of them because I just think they're so cute. So what do y'all think? So right now, Diamondartgift is doing a 70% off of their shipping. And they are also doing a buy 3, get 1 free special. And y'all, they've got all kinds of stuff. They don't just have diamond art. I keep wanting to say Diamondartgift. They don't just have diamond painting. They also have cross stitch. I mean, they just have all kinds of stuff. Y'all just got to look. But yeah. And they have all kinds of new stuff. They've got accessories. They just have all kinds of stuff. But y'all let me know if y'all have seen any more of these canvases, because I would like to have more of these because I think they are so super pretty. But I think I've done enough rambling. So, all right. Anyway, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. Please continue to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.